Transportation.
Cable car.
Cable car. Cable car.
Cable cars glide up mountainsides on strong steel cables. Tricycle.
Tricycle. Tricycle.
How many wheels does a tricycle have?
Excavator.
Excavator. Excavator.
Excavators have big scoops in the front to dig up earth and rocks.
Ship.
Ship. Ship. Ships are very large boats that carry passengers or cargo.
Cable car.
Cable car.
Tricycle.
Tricycle.
Excavator.
Excavator.
Ship.
Ship.
Above. Water. Quiet. Above. Water. Quiet. Funny. Little. Under.
Nature.
Lightning.
Lightning. Lightning.
Lightning comes with dangerous storms.
Wind.
Wind.
The flags are waving because of strong wind.
Star.
Star. Star.
I like looking at the stars. Do you? Rainbow.
Rainbow. Rainbow. Can you draw a rainbow?
Lightning.
Lightning.
Wind.
Wind.
Star.
Star.
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Ooh. 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 Hill. Hill. Ooh. Doll. Doll. Ooh. Coal. Coal. Words end with L. Seal.
Oval.
Boil.
Cool. Crawl.
Camel. Choose the picture that goes with the word. You did it!
Star.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it!
Ship.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it! Cable car.
Can you pick out?
Excavator.
Awesome!
Excavator.
Can you point to? Wind.
Fantastic.
Wind.
Can you pick out?
Rainbow.
Awesome.
Rainbow.
Can you pick out?
Water. Great job! Can you pick out? Funny.
You did it!
Hooray! You finished the lesson. Congratulations! You've earned a sticker! Play lessons to earn more stickers.